All right, Papa Sammy here. This is my next project. I acquired this in a trade. It's a Black & Decker. Boy, it looks kind of rough in spots. I know it runs. I did plug it in. It does turn. It's a little gritty. Sounds a little gritty. But oh boy, that thing's heavy. Yeah. But I'll take this, clean it up. Crank it off. Whoever had it put this long cord on it. Cord's in good shape. And I reckon he was a good carpenter, a busy carpenter, because with that on there, he wouldn't need an extension cord. Working inside a house or a shop, you're usually within 10 or 15 feet of a cord, a plug, a wall pot socket. So I ain't got to worry about the cord, apparently. But boy, this is going to take some cleaning. Really, really looks a little rough. It looks like it's slinging oil. I don't know. I'll break it down real careful. Clean out all these breathing holes in the front. They got dirt dauber's nest in there. Get all that taken care of. It's fixable. I guarantee you. That's kind of weak. The spring is. I'll fix that. All right. I reckon that's my next project.